Quinto kontra Tolentino. Yung matchup, ayan yung meron. Itong si Bong Quinto, he has the speed advantage against Arvin. So he just tatakla tayo dito for a piece. Arvin, the runner, is good with the foul.
He makes basketball look so easy sa battle underneath. Yung tulakan ng Joyce at saka Alan Durham kanina lang.
Isa pang 4. Oh, dalawahin ko. Sabi ni CJ Cancino.
What do you think?
Pass to Joyce.
Oh, beautiful.
Inikot pa yung bola papunta kay Amores. At hindi naman nasayang yung ganda ng pasahan ng Northport. Batang Pierre Navarro with a behind-the-back pass to a wide-open John Amores for 3.
I think I saw 2 behind the back.
Ulanadi, rebound picked up by Navarro. Halalon, sneaky layup is good for 2.
I gotta give credit to William Navarro. Nice heads-up play. Di ba? One motion in the air. Back pass na naman. Papunta dun kay Gio Halalo. Nag-get sa layup.
Pilig niya yung dito sa Meralco and try to get it in the end. Ganda drive mula kay Nusa.
Grabe, no? Turn on the Jets. Dalawang defender ang kanyang inatake.
Dito gets the switch. Banquero up top. Pupukol mula sa labas. Pasok yung press nito si Chris Banquero.
Quick 5 points magula dito kay Banquero. His total is 10. Hindi kanina lang.
Looking for his options. Oh,
Wow.
they connect.
Wow.
Oh, what a pass. What a connection to end the first half of action. Quarterback
Yun,
style
I was
mula kay
about
Chris
to say.
Newsome.
Beautiful pass. Right into the hands of Bonky.
Nakawin. And this is going to be wide open for Alan Durham with a two-handed throwdown.
It's starting to look easy para sa Meralco Balls. The biggest lead ng ating ball game is 12. Ito po yun. And 20 points. Sa actually huge third quarter.
Strong finish mula kay Chris Newsome kahit wala na sa angulo, no?
Oo nga eh.
Hang in there.
Wala sa kanila yun. Kamsa naman ang atake ni Josh Monson. Kasi his big strides, Carlo, no? Explode to the basket. At kanina, pinitingnan natin yung mga numbers niya. Hindi na masyado.
And counting. As Franyu able to manufacture an N1 play off a foul mula kay Andrew Carang.
Every bit counts. I knew this is gonna be huge, guys.
Norbert goes on the drive. Well defended. Almazan recovers and converts.
Nakikita natin yung talagang height difference dito. Norbert Torres, parang Twin Towers sila.
Meralco right behind at 5 and 2 as we get an N1 opportunity for William Navarro. They're not going away without a fight. Papalag pa rin hanggang dulo itong Batang Pierre. Ayaw nilang mangyari yan, di ba? Meron pa namang minutong natitira. Pwede pang pumalag, pwede pang lumaban. Pero napasukan sila ng mid-range jumper mula kay Anjo Carang. Kay Chris Banquero, Mendoza. Oh, denied by Navarro. But again, the offensive rebounding still there for Brandon Bates.
Makikita mo yung value ng Brandon Bates doon. Just stayed with it,
Coming
diba?
from Meralco, Banquero and Newsome delivering. And this is an N1 converted by Cade Flores attacking the defense of Raymond Almazan.
Yan talaga ginagawa niya, slasher talaga.
Sa kampeonato, sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo.